What's really exciting about the neuroscience program is that it covers the full scope of neuroscience from the very cellular and molecular levels all the way up to cognitive and behavioral.
The neuroscience program is designed to have a strong foundation in both psychology and biology. All students will take core courses in each of these majors to get the fundamental understandings necessary for neuroscience.
But you finish off the major with a research capstone, meaning that you work one-on-one with a faculty member to either do your own research project or contribute to one of that faculty member's research projects.
And this experiential learning allows the students to be more competitive for internships that are typically taken between the third and fourth years. These internships are important because they allow the students to be more competitive once they leave college and enter the job market.
And this is a rare and unique opportunity to learn hands-on some of the research methods and techniques that we use in neuroscience.
Each faculty member at Goucher has their own independent line of research, some focused on different areas of the nervous system.
I have a cognitive neuroscience lab where we use EEG, these electrode nets, and we use them to record human brain activity. And what you would get to do is you would get to learn how to do this kind of research from the conception of an experiment to the programming in a computer to actually applying the nets and collecting data, all the way through to doing data analysis and actually presenting at a conference.
Myself, I'm a cellular physiologist, so my interest is in how neurons communicate within one another and among one another. So specifically, I work with a nematode C. elegans. These nematodes are used for understanding neuronal networks, and that knowledge can then be expanded to larger organisms.
We've structured the neuroscience major purposely in a way that allows students to either double major or minor in completely different or related fields. And these are just ways that students can combine their various interests across different fields.
It really helps students navigate to reach exactly the type of expertise they need to know once they graduate.
I really look forward to you joining us at Goucher in the neuroscience major.